right.
Yeah, welcome to Talking Football with T. My brother, how did you see the game today?
The game was intense.
Yes.
Actually, the second half was intense.
Yes.
The first half, Durban City didn't find their feet.
Yes.
I think that's where they lacked a bit. But shout out to Khalil.
Yes.
Khalil was able to actually, he was actually, was able to actually change his tactics, especially being on and short. It was very smart. So they gave Pirates a run for their money. Yeah, so it was quite an interesting game. Yeah, I didn't expect that goal from Durban. He found a loophole and he used it very well. Yeah,
so, aren't you worried about Orlando Pirates' performance in this game?
No, I am. Orlando Pirates just lost their philosophy. This is not the Orlando Pirates.
That we know.
Yeah. So, if this is the Pirates that I'm going to get in the semi-finals or finals, then it's a problem. I'm winning.
That's so big.
And not because I'm taking it.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm playing different kind of football.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's crazy. It's empty.
Yeah, I'm also concerned about like if you're replacing Tito, there isn't like a real player who can play number 10 and be creative and find those passes. So it's a huge task for coach.
Yes, Pirates needs a playmaker. I think we can't shy away from that. They need a playmaker, and we can see now. Yes. Or there's actually a big problem there with number 10 because I saw even when Tito went out, there was no one playing a 10.
Yeah.
So it's actually a huge concern for Wadu. He needs to actually go back to the drawing board and the transfer window is not closed yet. He needs to bring in a proper number 10.
They must do something.
They must do something.
Because this thing of relying on speedy wingers, I don't think it's sustainable to win the league.
Yeah.
Or even compete
Exactly, because look at Apolis.
Yes.
You couldn't see the full potential of Apolis. Yes. He was not really confident.
Do you think Wadu's got a beef with Apolis? Because in most games you always substitute him. And I thought Apolis is one of the key players that you must leave in the game.
That's what I was thinking about. That's what I also thought. But you never know what's going on with Owadu.
Yes.
Yeah, you will never know. Owadu is in his own world and he does whatever he wants to do. Whether people are going to say something or not, he doesn't care. He just does what he wants to do.
Okay, Kosi. So me, I'm looking forward to drawing you in the semi-final and beating you to get to the final.
Let's see what happens.
Okay.
Sure. Thank you.